You hear about investment banking in the news, but what does the job actually entail? Let's break down the world of high finance. At its core, an investment bank acts as a middleman. They connect companies that need capital with investors who have money to provide. Investment banks handle massive amounts of money, facilitating trillions of dollars in mergers, acquisitions, and new stock listings every single year. They wear many hats, from helping a startup go public to guiding a massive corporation through a complex buyout or restructuring. Don't confuse them with your local bank. While commercial banks hold your savings, investment banks focus on corporate strategy and capital markets. Most of their income comes from advisory fees for deals, rather than interest on loans. It is a service-based business model. Ultimately, they act as the bridge that allows companies to grow and investors to find new opportunities in the market. Understanding these institutions helps you see how the broader market functions. Subscribe for more finance basics and stay curious.